Welcome to Bilingual Investing. Jay here with you guys today, presenting you guys our giveaway winners. I know there's a couple of you out there, just staying tuned to wait and see, if you're going to be one of the winners that is going to win the cash prizes today. Again, we're going to briefly, overview the rules, have a small discussion about that. Then we're going to proceed into selecting our winners fairly. So we're gonna discuss those details in a little bit, but before we do so, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button. Come on now, smash that like button. We would really appreciate that. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for all our new educational videos and giveaways like these as well. Again, guys, in the description down below, we'll leave a link to our free educational playlist for you guys. A lot of educational videos here. So, you guys stay tuned for that. So, very briefly, let's overview the details of our giveaway, guys. Again, the rules were subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Twitter page, and comment on the following video. I understand that for some of you, you were able to subscribe, follow us on Twitter, but when you commented on the video, it wasn't letting you guys post your BUSD addresses. For some of you guys, but I believe that most of the comments that I do see in the comment section of the video does have the BUSD address. So, again, guys, these were the rules. So let's actually go through how we're going to do that. Here's the video. Here's your comments. So, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comments here. There's 11 in total, but there's some duplicates and things of that nature. So we're going to actually filter for that because we want a fair selection, okay? That's really what matters for us, our integrity. Make sure that, the people selected on this recording are the winners. So we're going to go through that. But I just wanted to show the comments here. And what we're going to do, this was the video that you guys should have left your comment and your BUSD address as well. So we're going to copy here, and then we're going to paste the link to the video right here. We have a YouTube comment picker at random, okay? We're not selecting it. We're using the software, the algorithm to randomly select the winners to keep things fair. Okay, so we're gonna actually click start here. So this is the video, okay? It shows the views, the likes, the comments. Again, it says 11, but we're gonna make sure that we filter the duplicates. So we want to load those comments. So again, once we load them, they're down here. Okay, we're gonna choose 2 winners for today's giveaway. Let's put the countdown at just 3 seconds. Exclude duplicates. We don't want people, posting multiple comments. We want to give a fair chance for people to win, this giveaway. But before we actually select that, let's go through here. Let's actually get access to the funds here. As we can see here, here's 2 winners, $10 each for both channels. So we're gonna start with this channel again, the English channel. And if you guys feel free, you can subscribe to our Spanish channel as well. So feel free to do so as well. So again, guys, we're going to actually go ahead and select our winners. Thank you so much for participating, in our giveaways. It really means a lot to us, I know there's people out there that celebrate Halloween. We wanted to make sure we did a giveaway by this Halloween. So today, October 31st, we're going to choose 2 winners. Again, thank you so much. Very appreciative for our channel. We're trying to get to that, 100 follower level, that 100 follower count. We're currently at 79, almost at 80. And then after that, just 20 away from reaching that pivotal 100 follower count. So thank you so much for your support, for liking this video and liking our videos and watching our content. It really means a lot to me. So, I'm appreciative. So moving on to what people came here. Again, the giveaway. We're here, guys. I'm going to click confirm, and then in 3 seconds, it's going to choose 2 winners. We're going to send their cash prizes to those addresses selected. And don't worry, if you didn't get selected this time around, we're going to be doing a couple of more giveaways by the end of this year. So I'm going to click confirm, and let's see who the winners are. So let's press start. And the moment of the truth. Beautiful. So we have the 2 winners here. It's going to be John McPally and Kyle Mike Santiago. So guys, congratulations on your cash prizes. Let's see here. You actually have your BUSD address. So I believe that this is, let's see here. This is an Ethereum, basically MetaMask or decentralized wallet. So we're going to go ahead and actually send that to you guys right now. here on the video. So let's actually open MetaMask here real quick. Let's see. Let's open MetaMask. And we have it right here on screen. Let me move the screen a little bit this way. We're going to open MetaMask and we're going to select BUSD. We're going to send. We're going to put your address up here. We have the address here, as you guys can verify. You know, $10 is that cash prize. We copy pasted the address, press next, 10 BUSD, confirm, and it's on his way. So congratulations, again, you know, to John Magpally. Stay tuned for, you know, our next giveaways as well. So let's see. We have Kyle Mike Santiago. He also has his address right here. It's again, it's on MetaMask. That's what we're gonna use, decentralized wallet, you know, to send that payment. So again, we go towards BUSD, send. We paste the address, just like in the comment. We choose $10. Click next, and it is on his way. Guys, it's a beautiful thing. There you go. Both people participated. Both people, you know, followed the directions, you know, to a certain extent. I know there was a couple of people that had issues and things of that nature, but we're going to try and simplify our next giveaway. It's going to most likely be a Twitter giveaway, but we're going to talk about that in just a bit, guys. So look, both transactions were sent. You know, I'm going to also communicate them via our YouTube comments just to make sure that they receive their cash prizes. So guys, you know, really appreciate, you know, you two commenting and the other 4 people as well. It means a lot to me. You know, I appreciate that immensely. So, you know, again, we're going to get the certificate right here, and we're going to actually make sure to post this on our Twitter page. And also we'll probably make a YouTube post on our community, just showing the winners here. You know, a shout out to them. They were the winners. I'll verify that they received their payments. There's the evidence that was sent via MetaMask. And again, guys, in the link in the description below, I'll make sure to leave, you know, a link to our website, you know, where you can find tools and resources, access to our other social networks like our TikTok, our Instagram. Let's open it up real quick. Our Twitter, which our next giveaway is going to be on here, you know, so keep that in mind. We have our Instagram, guys, Bilingual Investing. You guys can follow over there. Then we also have our TikTok. You know, if you didn't know, we put informational posts, charts, things of that nature over here. Already 124 people, so we appreciate that. On Twitter, we've been getting more followers recently at that 336. We would appreciate that as well. And then our next giveaway. In about a month, we plan to do another giveaway similar to this one, but we're going to choose on Twitter. We're going to probably give a $10 cash prize for the retweets, and then we're going to choose one winner for the followers as well. So 2 winners again. So that's the plan for now. We're going to come out with more details later. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this type of content, make sure you guys smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.